how you make my super easy 2-ingredient, low-calorie, no bake, no refrigerate, no flour, no sugar, no gluten, no egg, no carb, no fat, no woman, no crying, no beans, no greens, no potatoes, no tomatoes, no lambs, no rams, no hogs, no dogs, no chicken, no turkeys, no rabbit.
No milk, no cheese, no rice, no spice, no oil, no boil, no zest, no slice, no wheat, no meat, no heat, no treat, no pan, no plan, just vibes on repeat. No shellfish, no fish dish, no kale on the plate. No dates, no grapes, no nuts to grate. No tools, no rules, just trust in the flow. Just grab some air, and there you go. Bon appetit, or something like that. Bonjour, no boil, no bake, no bake, no bake, no bake. No tools, no rules, just trust in the flow. Just grab some air, and there you go. Bon appetit, or something like that. But bon appetit, or something like that. Bon appetit, or something like that. Or something like that.